Yeah.
Is that the building that we're going in?
Yeah, we're going to the Steelers first.
$4 for every half right there.
Well, no, actually.
The enamel pocket watches are sale here, babe. Is involved.
Yeah.
The way it's done is it's a whole series of labor.
The finish is a bit dull. It's not shiny and polished.
No, they don't want to wipe that patina off.
Okay, let's see. Number 2 is this one. Photograph, one second. 30.
That's the one, black magnet, that is.
Well, that's just a
It's found on number 2 and number 3.
So is that actually?
On these 2.
Always.
Yeah. Boy, look at how pretty those dials are.
I like this skeleton watch.
It's fabulous. Oh, it's fantastic.
The best company.
That's right.
The diamonds.
I always say I have a fabulous job. I love it.
Rubies.
You live there then?
Yes, I've lived in Geneva for 25 years.
Always with pattern?
Should pair case in sterling silver that protect the enamel. And you can see the cutaway for the dial, so you can tell time without opening it up every time. But that's a very, very beautiful piece. An exceptional piece. Lids are entirely hand woven, link by link, in our factories. And here you can see an extension from the watch into jewelry and necklace and a ring made all in the same fashion.
That number 62 is real pretty.
Which one?
62, the one on the right.
Is that what you saw when you were in the factory? Yeah, and here, look at this one, this one, cutaway. Go ahead.
There's only 4 of those in the world.
This is the world's most complicated timepiece, and there's only 4. One we made in white gold, one in yellow, one in rose, and one in platinum. And this the piece that you're looking at right now is the original prototype that we used to build the 4 that we made. And the case is solid gold. It is a solid gold piece. It weighs about 2 pounds.
I read one of them was bought version where somebody did somebody else bought it.
Yes.
The person who
Yeah.
asked for
No,
the
we
original.
know, but that's
Yeah.
sort of proprietary info. The fun thing about this cutaway is it shows the assembled 5 levels of the movement and all of the hands. There's 24 hands on this timepiece, and look at the lineup. Here, you get right up there and look at it. I see it all. And 4 years to put it together. And we just finished the last one in the middle of this year.
People made it more.
No, there are 4.
People who put it together in stages.
4 years?
Did
No, no,
yeah, they missed a lot.
I get correspondence
They
from
really
them, but
did.
there
They
really
should
isn't
be
any way to do business right now.
I'm really disappointed in my George Ross. There was only 2 of us out of 14.
Currency restriction and control, you can name it, taxes, duties, But you know, as a government,
I wouldn't miss any of these. I took work
yeah, they
until
also changed the
Wednesday for
rules of
this.
taxation and duty on importation.
Yeah.
You know, Brazil for years couldn't even import.
That's like the gold show that they had in
Something
Stockholm.
working for it.
The gold scene.
Brazil, oh, Europe, but Europe is talking about.
Everyone knows that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they don't pay.
They love things about
I still like the skeleton watch. It's the best. They're beautiful.
Because we're here, I'd like you to turn around and look at these 2 paintings with a ribbon next to them, especially. Those 2 paintings were part of the collection that we reproduced on the miniature enamel pocket watches.
Who owns these originals?
Pardon?
Who owns the original?
That is the original. This museum owns it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. We have some of these in Tulsa, at
Yes.
Gilcrease Museum.
Yeah, I bet you do. I bet you do. They're very prolific painters. In any case, we'll go and see those 2 pieces when we get towards the front of the exhibit.
So there's an art of learning to do that.
Oh, there certainly is. And not only that, it's a disappearing art. There are only 2 people left in Geneva that can do this quality of work.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. 104.
The museum, look at in window number 8. This is an exceptional platinum and diamond ladies pendant watch. It doesn't open, you just flip it over, the dial's on the other side. This is a very, very rare piece. Yes.
That's a letter opener on mine.
Yeah, letter opener.
Ruby eyes, lapis.
The jewelers, when they make these watches, these Galaxy watches, we call it very, very fancy diamond pieces, the Galaxy collection. They make the bracelet link by link. Each link that's holding the stone, they assemble the stone, the whole bracelet, and they give the bracelet unset to the jeweler, to the man who buys the stones, and say, cut the stones for this bracelet. Because we still have the oldest watchmakers in the world, I tell you. We have all the machinery, all of the original tools, all of the original plans, in as much as the watchmakers took the time to write or draw. And they're all there. Because we never stopped making watches in 155 years that the company's existed, the talent is still there. The know-how is in-house. And we do a lot of restoration of old timepieces. And even if it means getting out, now we manufacture on extremely sophisticated computers. If it means on the other side, the watches with the blue faces, blue-colored gold faces. This is an extension of that line. You can see the design has changed and been modernized. We are an example of an extension of an already classic shape. The Ellipse watch had its 25th birthday last year, and we've never changed it since the day it was originally designed. And in many instances, people recognize it as the symbol watch for Patek Philippe. The two timepieces here, I chose this one because I like the engraving on the case, and it reminded me of the work on the links of the ellipse bracelets, and it happens to be a very fine example of an engraved piece. There's a portrait of a man in sepia on an enamel portrait on the dial. We don't know who it is, but that's very unusual. And the watch in the back belonged to Albert Einstein.
That's what I was going to ask you.
Yeah.
Because I know that he liked watches.
Yes. And he back commissioned that watch from us. And
Round.
Round.
What language?
In no language. I honestly, Calatrava.
I was just coming for jewelry.
Owned by Mr. Kellogg.
It's impressive.
I tell you, I have more than one favorite. I really do. Yeah. And these are relatively new. They were designed 1 to 2 years ago. And you can see that we went back to our museum for inspiration for the dials, the old, very heavy Roman numeral dials and the Arabic numbers.
I like that style.
Yeah, they've been very, very successful.
This one too, the one,
Yeah.
the rectangular.
This one,
That one.
all of them.
Huh?
The rubies in the movie.
The rubies in
I
the
have one on
movement.
that big Omega there from one day work.
I was going to say, you can't see them. Is it? I was reading this.
No. Tsar Alexander, and he had it made and gave it to his wife.
No.
Only 2 years. They were married for only 2 years, and before he was assassinated. And that portrait of him in civilian dress is one of only. It's a minute repeater also.
Boy, they missed out.
You run around here in the restaurants? Yeah. Where you gonna go?
So we
Gumbo or like crawfish?
Dad? Are you filming?
Yeah. We're on a run until 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. We meet there.
I don't know.
At 20 on the device, which of the...
Is that enough?
one, and the numbers are right in the corner of the case. This is 1 through 10, and then the next dial.
Yeah, might as well have a time exit if they're on the right time.
No, I mean, you don't know. I think they are in control.
Here's another one.
Have the right guy?
None of it.
The sky that keeps time properly.